All right, my friend, welcome to your new Les Paul. Just want to show her off in some detail before I ship her out. I know I'd already kind of sent you a bit of a condition video, but gonna go ahead and just make sure we've got all our bases covered. Don't want you to have any surprises here. We've got that beautiful Voss finish. These are not blemishes, that's just case dust. There you go. You can see the binding is really nice. Man, this thing is sweet, man. Again, not a blemish, that's just a little bit of dust. Looks like I do see one little, nope, it's not even a mark there. It's just a reflection. Of course, no headstock issues at all. No checking, no blemishes on the corner. Nice sharp edges on that headstock, that's what you want to see. Of course, you can see the Voss finish right there, really nice. Aged yellow binding. It just doesn't get much better than this, man. There is little to no fret wear at all. Beautiful ebony board. You'll love to see it. Okay, what I'm gonna do also is I'm gonna go ahead and remove this guy. Just get in the habit of doing that and putting it in with the case candy. All your case candies right here, COA, all that, except of course for the book. The book is gonna be separately wrapped and it's gonna be in the box alongside the case, the guitar case. It's going in this box right here. This is a brand new Gibson box. It's never been shipped, so it is pretty much new, and that's so the UPS has every incentive to take very good care. Make sure that when you unbox, don't throw this away. That's your Gibson Gazette, and it's an actual 68 edition. So I'm actually gonna pass it off to my brother here, and he's gonna go ahead and finish the packing job. This is Tino, and I just wanna thank you again so much for your purchase, brother.
All right, and here she is, ready to go, ready to be shipped. Safe and secure. Thank you so much again. And we just want to put good instruments in the hands of good people, that the world would be filled with good music. Hope you enjoy. Have a great day.